Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 130 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. ومن يرغب عن ملة إبراهيم إلا من سفه نفسه وَمَيْ. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. May, this is idgham. The abbreviation of idgham is ID. May, idgham, you are merging the sound of noon into ya. And it is with gunna. وَمَيْ, you are keeping the sound in your nose. وَمَيْ يَبْ, ya is a soft letter. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with ra. Ra will get tawassut. Lin, Umar are the 5 letters. Whenever they are with sakoon, they will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Yar, gha, ghain is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Gha, bu. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound should be short. Gha, bu. Ain from your throat very clearly. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with meme. Meme will get gunna, and gunna is keeping your sound, keeping the sound in your nose. This is gunna. For kasra is very short. Mil, for kasra, give e sound and attach with lam because it is with tashdid. Mil, la short. T, for kasra, give e sound. T, the short is sound is short. Ib, hamza is a very sharp sound. Attached with ba with qalqala. Ib, ra 2 counts long. He 2 counts long. Ibrahim, ma is short. Ibrahim. How beautiful this name is, and how beautiful that person was. Subhanallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of us on his path, because Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and Ibrahim alayhi salam are 2 great uswas for us, great leaders. Illa, hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound, attached with lam. Il, and then the fatha is 2 counts long. Illa ma, for fatha, open your jaws. And for ikhfa, you are hiding the sound of noon. You are going toward the sound of seen, and seen is a light letter, so the ikhfa will be light. Your tongue should be in a very straight position, and you are creating gunna in your nose. Ma, sa is short. Fi is also short. Fi will be with hums. Safi, ha is short. Safi, ha, naf. For fatha, open your jaws. For fa, create hums. A nice, beautiful hums is needed to pronounce fa. Nafsa. Seen is attached with ha, and ha will get rukhawa because it is with sakoon now. Nafsa. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Qa is heavy letter. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound for all these 3 letters are very short. Wa, la, qa. Wa, la, qa. This. Dal is light. For kasra, give e sound, and sad is heavy. Sad will get heavy sound. It is with rokhawa. It will get safir. So the whistle sound should be there. The sound should flow. It shouldn't stop until the next letter will be pronounced. This ta is short. Ta is heavy. How you create any heavy sound? You lift the edge of the root of your tongue. Your root of your tongue should be up, lifted towards palate. This is lean letter. Lean, it has to be 2 counts long, and wow and ya, whenever they are with sakoon and they have fatha before it, the lean has to be there, and for lean you have to uh, say the letter very softly. Give a very nice fatha on fa and attach with ya. Fay, na two counts long, hu short. Feed fa will get humps, and humps is a flow of breath. And for kasra, give e sound and attach with right away. Attach with dal. Feed, say fi and then attach with dal. You are not making it long, but you are making sure that kasra has a light sound. Feed tun. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach with noon. It is idhar mutlaq. You are attached. You are making izhar over here. Dun. Yeah, two counts long. Wa, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. In, hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. Attach with noon, and noon will get gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. In, this is gunna, and for fatha, fatha is a very short sound. Na, hu, two counts long. Wa innahu, fil. For kasra, give e sound, attach with lam, and lam will get tawassut. Fil, two counts long. Hamza is a sharp sound, and for fatha, open your jaws. Khi, kha is heavy letter. For kasra, give e sound. Ra is heavy over here. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy. Ra, ti. So for kasra, give e sound. La is short. Mi, for kasra, give e sound. Nas, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with sod. Sod is a heavy letter. Sod will get rukhawa, and it will give us safir. Nas, saw, two counts long, and it will be very heavy letter. Nasali, for kasra, give e sound. Heen, you gave a temporary sukoon on noon, then it changed the two counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is called mad arid lissakoon. وَإِنَّهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ لَمِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.